Hello दोस्तों, Airports Authority of India has released the syllabus for the post of Junior Executive Air Traffic Control. The syllabus will consist of two parts, Part A and Part B, non-technical and technical portion. In this video, we will see about the syllabus and how to prepare about this exam. Regarding Part A, which will consist of 60 questions from English, Reasoning, General Aptitude and GK/GS. This non-technical portion will be same as SSC CGL level. Those who are preparing for SSC exam can relate from this syllabus. You can practice previous year papers of SSC exam also. Mostly the questions will be of easy to moderate level. Only thing is required the speed and accuracy. So focus more on study and prepare well and increase your accuracy and speed. And practice so hard and try to score around 50 plus marks in this section. And if 55 plus marks you are scoring, then you will have good chances of selection. So prepare well and try to score minimum 50. Now see about the technical portion of the exam. The technical portion will be consist of 60 questions of physics and maths of 10 plus 2 level. This will be only deciding factor for your selection, and the paper pattern will be of 10 plus 2 level, that is intermediate level. For this preparation you can read only NCERT books for 10 plus 2 intermediate or more 11th and 12th. That will be sufficient. And if you want to practice more, then previous year paper of UPSC NDA or CSRA CDS papers, which include physics and mathematics, you can read about that questions also. And there will be no provision of negative marking, means you have to attempt full papers. There will be no negative marking. And for try to score around minimum 40 to 50 marks in technical portion for be in the race. And expect a cutoff around 92 or 95 plus as per vacancies. So practice hard and prepare well for the exam. And for more details you can subscribe this channel for upcoming vacancies. Thank you.